Good morning, second PC students. Yesterday, what did we learn? Exercise 10.2. 8 problems are completed. Today, we are going to the next problem. Problem number 9. For a given vectors, a bar is equal to 2i minus j plus 2k, and b bar is equal to minus I plus j plus k, minus I plus j plus k. Find the unit vector in the direction of the find the unit vector. Find the unit vector, direction of the vector, direction of the vectors a bar plus b bar. The unit vector of a bar, is equal to a bar by a cap is the unit vector of a bar is a cap is equal to a bar by mod a bar. The unit vector of a bar plus b bar, the unit vector of a bar plus b bar. So a plus b whole cap by mod a plus b. So a plus b unit vector. A plus b unit vector. First of all, we have to calculate a bar plus b bar. A bar plus b bar is taken c bar, say equal to, say a bar plus b bar is equal to, a bar plus b bar is equal to, what is a bar? 2i minus j plus 2k. For a given vectors a bar and b bar, find the unit vector, direction of the vector a bar plus b bar. Find the unit vector. Which unit vector? A bar plus b bar unit vector. So first we have to find out a bar plus b bar. Minus I plus j plus k is equal to 2i plus 2i minus j minus I. This is plus 2i minus I. Plus 2i minus I plus I, minus j plus j cancel, minus j plus j cancel. Now next, plus 2k plus k plus 3k, a plus b. So next, mod a bar plus b bar, mod a bar plus b bar is equal to root of mod a bar plus b bar is equal to root of 1 square plus 0, because jth term is missed. So 0 plus 3 square, so that is equal to root of 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9 is equal to root bar. Let any confusion means a bar plus, let a bar plus b bar is equal to c bar. Take a bar plus b bar is equal to c bar. So the unit vector of c bar is equal to, c bar is c cap. C cap is equal to c bar by mod c bar. What is the c bar? Let put a bar plus b bar is equal to what? C bar. This is c bar. So I plus 3k by, so a bar plus b bar is equal to c bar. So what is the c bar value? This is mod c bar value is equal to root 10. Let a bar plus b bar is equal to c bar, or directly a bar plus b bar by something. the ORR. The unit vector of A bar plus B bar is A bar plus B bar whole cap is equal to A bar plus B bar by mod A bar plus B bar. So A bar plus B bar is equal to I plus 3j by mod A bar plus B bar is equal to root 10. Both are same. Let T, this is direct. A bar plus B bar by mod A bar plus B bar. Next. Find a vector in the direction of in the direction of find the vector. Which type of vector? In the direction of vector 5i minus j plus 2k, 5i minus j plus 2k, which has magnitude 8 units, which has magnitude 8 units. Solution. Given, find vector. Which vector? Find vector in the direction of vector. Find a vector in the direction of vector which has magnitude 8 units. Magnitude 8 units means that is lambda. So formula lambda into given A bar is equal to 5i minus j plus k. Direction of magnitude is equal to 8 units. So lambda is equal to 8. The unit vector of the vector means unit vector. Find a vector means find a unit vector. So the unit vector of A bar having the magnitude 8 units is lambda into A bar by mod A bar. Magnitude A. Normal unit vector formula, this is A bar by mod A bar, C bar by mod C bar. So magnitude is given means magnitude is taken lambda. Lambda is given. So lambda into A bar by mod A bar. So here mod A bar. Mod A bar is equal to root of, this is 5 square mod A bar. 5 square plus minus 1 whole square plus 2 square. So that is equal to root 25 plus 4, 29 plus 1, 30. Root 30. Okay. So lambda into answer 8 into A bar. A bar is equal to 5i minus j plus 2k by mod A bar is equal to root 30. Normal unit vector A bar by mod A bar. Lambda magnitude is given means lambda into A bar by mod A bar. Okay, this is one. Next. Okay, clear? Mod A bar, you know, A bar mod A bar formula, A bar by mod A bar. So here lambda is given. So lambda into A bar by mod A bar. Next, 11th problem. Show that the vectors are collinear. Show that the show that the vectors 2i minus 3j 2i minus 3j plus 4k 2i minus 3j plus 4k and minus 4i plus 6j minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k are collinear. Show that these two vectors are collinear, parallel, both are same. Very very important point. This is important one. Solution. Let a bar is equal to 2i minus 3j plus 4k. Here a1 is equal to, a1 means I component, scalar component. Next a1, a2 is equal to minus 3, a3 is equal to 4. Okay, a bar is equal to what? a1i. Comparing the a bar with a1i plus a2j plus a3k. Okay, comparing with a bar is equal to what? a1i plus a2j plus a3k. So a1 is equal to this one, a2 is equal to, a3 is equal to. Okay, so next b bar is equal to, let b bar is equal to minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k. What is the b bar? b1i plus b2j plus b3k. So here b1 is equal to minus 4, b2 is equal to 6, b3 is equal to minus 8. What is the formula? Two vectors are collinear, or two vectors are parallel. Formula a1 by b1 equal to a2 by b2 equal to a3 by b3. The three values are equal. a1 by b1 value, a2 by b2, a3, three values are equal, means the two vectors are collinear or are parallel. Okay, so a1 2 by minus 4 is equal to a2 minus 3 by 6 is equal to 4 by minus 8. That implies minus 2 by minus 4 minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 6 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 equal to minus 1 by 2 equal to minus 1 by 2. So three ratios are equal, means collinear. Hence a bar and b bar are collinear. Another procedure, another procedure, collinear, parallel, same, another procedure. For example, in the a bar and b bar, which one is the biggest one? This is 2 3 4, here 4 6. So this is biggest one. So b bar is equal to minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k. Second method. So in the minus 2 common, minus 2 into 2i minus 3j plus 4k. Minus 2 into 2 minus 4, minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6, minus 2 into plus 4 minus 8. So b bar is equal to minus 2 into a bar. So any bar, b bar is equal to lambda into a bar, or a bar is equal to lambda into b bar. Here lambda is a parameter, or any number is a real number, any real number, minus, negative, positive, any negative positive number. So b bar is equal to some lambda into a bar. So these are collinear simply. Hence a bar and b bar are collinear. These are two methods, collinear methods. Okay, this is the procedure. Parallel, collinear. We have only two vectors, not three vectors. Only two vectors, collinear, parallel. These two methods are there. We can do any type of method. Okay, this is the 11th problem. Next to 12th problem. Find the direction cosines of the vector. Find the direction cosines of vector. Find the direction cosines of vector I plus 2j plus 3k. Okay, direction cosines of the vector. Solution: let a bar is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k. Here a1 is equal to 1, a2 is equal to 2, a3 is equal to 3. Mod a bar. What is the formula of direction cosines? Direction cosine, the vector, single vector, the single vector is given. What is the direction cosines formula? First of all, mod a bar. Mod a bar is equal to root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. So that is equal to root of 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 9, 14, root 14. So the direction cosines are formula a1 by mod a bar, a2 by mod a bar, a3 by mod a bar. So that is equal to a1 1 by root 14, 2 by root 14, 3 by root 14. This is the direction cosines procedure, very important one. Direction cosines procedure. Next, find the direction cosines of the vector joining the point. Find the direction cosines of the direction cosines of the vector joining the joining the points A, joining the points A 1 minus 2 3, 1 2 minus 3, 1 2 minus 3, joining the points A 1 2 and B minus 1 minus 2 1, directed from A. Directed from A to B. So 12th problem, 13th problem same. The 12th problem also find the direction cosines and 13th problem also find the direction cosines. So what is the difference? Data. Given data is different. In the 12th problem directly vector is given. Directly vector given. So in the 13th problem not given directly vector, position vector. See the vector, this is the vector. These are two position vectors. A point is nothing but position vector. A, the position vector of A equal to OA. The position vector of B, OB. Which vector direction cosines we have to find out? Which vector direction cosines? A to B means AB vector direction cosines. AB vector direction cosines. Okay, so the vector given, indirectly vector given. So first we have to find out vector, after that direction cosines. Okay, so given A1 2 minus 3 x1 y1 z1 B minus 1 minus 2 1 x2 y2 z2. So AB bar formula x2 minus x1 into A, the line joining the 2-point formula, x2 minus x1 into A plus y2 minus y1 minus 2 minus 1 into J plus z2 minus z1 1 minus of minus 3 1 z2 1 z1 no minus 3 1 minus of minus 3 plus 3 k. So that is equal to x2 minus x1 no y2 minus y1 no z2 minus z1 formula. So x2 minus x1 minus 1 minus 1 into y minus 1 minus of minus 1 plus y2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 into j plus z2 minus z1 1 minus of minus 3 plus 3. So that is equal to minus 2 into I minus 4j minus 2 minus 2 minus 4j plus 4k. Okay. So in the vector 2 common 2 4 4 2 common means minus I minus 2j plus 2k. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 2 into minus 2 minus 4 2 into 2 4. Okay, so mod AB bar is equal to the 2 into root of mod AB bar is equal to 2 into root of minus 1 whole square plus minus 2 whole square plus 2 square. So 4 plus 4 9. So 2 into 3 equal to 6 root 9. Root 9 is equal to 3. So the direction cosines. What is the formula? Direction cosines formula A1. Here what is A1? This is A1, A2, A3. A1, A2, A3. So this is also A1, A2, A3. Both are same. So minus 2 by 6. Minus 2 by 6. Next minus 4 by 6. Next 4 by 6. Okay. So common is not important. So here A1 is equal to minus 2, A2 is equal to minus 4, A3 is equal to 4. So A1 by 6, so cancel. Minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, 2 by 3. Minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, 3. Okay. The direction cosines. This is also important. Okay. Next. Show that the vectors I plus j plus k, show that the vector I plus j plus k is equally inclined to the equally inclined to the axis OX, OY and OZ, OX, OY and OZ. Vector I plus j plus k vector is equal inclined to the OX, OY, OZ. Equally inclined means equal angles. Equal angles, how to come equal angles? Direction cosines. What is the direction cosines? Cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are called the direction cosines. The direction cosines are denoted by L, M, N. So first we have to find out direction cosines. First we have to find out direction cosines. Solution given A bar is equal to I plus j plus k. Okay. Mod A bar is equal to root of 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to root 3. So the direction cosines are simply DC's. Direction cosines are, that is equal to 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. So A1, A2, A3, A1, A2, A3 are equal to 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. So this is direction cosines are denoted by L, M, N. So L is equal to cos alpha is equal to 1 by root 3. That implies alpha is equal to cos inverse of 1 by root 3. Next M is equal to cos beta is also 1 by root 3. So beta is equal to cos inverse of 1 by root 3. So N is equal to cos gamma is also 1 by root 3. Gamma is equal to cos inverse of 1 by root 3. This is 1, 2, 3. From 1 to 3. From 1 and 2 and 3. Alpha is equal to, beta is equal to, gamma is equal to cos inverse of 1 by root 3. So, to show that the vectors are equally inclined. Equally inclined means angles are equal. So, alpha is equal to, beta is equal to gamma. So, equally inclined. Very important. Next, fifteenth problem. Find the position vector of point R. Find the position vector of the point R which divide the line joining 2 points P and Q. Find the position vector of the point R. Find the position vector of the point R. So OR. Position vector of O. So there is no gap. First problem only direct I have to write only answer. So solution OR we have to find out OR. Find the position vector of point R which divide the line joining 2 points P and Q. So points P and Q means vector, position vector. OP bar is equal to that is taken A bar. OP bar is equal to I plus 2j minus k. The second one, P and Q directly given, already given. So OQ bar is equal to B bar is equal to OQ bar is equal to B bar is equal to minus I plus j minus I plus j plus k. Okay. Respectively in the ratio 2:1. In the ratio 2:1. So ratio is nothing but m:n. M:n is equal to 2:1. Here m is equal to 2, n is equal to 1. So ratio is given. Ratio given. So ratio given means is must be using the section formula. Ratio. Okay, in particular internally, externally is not given means internally. Particularly externally means externally formula. There is no not given anyone. The external not mentioned. Not mentioned internally, externally means externally. Okay, understand? Is particularly divide the P and Q R is the divide in the ratio, R is divide in the vectors OP and OQ in the ratio 2:1. Internally means internally formula. Externally means externally is mentioned means externally formula. So there is no anyone not mentioned. Anyone is not mentioned means internally. What is the internally formula? What is the formula? OR bar is equal to plus MB bar plus NA bar by M plus N. This is the externally internally formula. So M into B bar. M into B bar, what is M? M means 2. 2 into B bar minus I plus J plus K. M into B bar plus N is equal to 1 into A bar. A bar means I plus 2J minus K. Okay, the first bit. First bit is internally. Second bit externally. So internally means what is internally? By M plus 1. M plus 1 is equal to 2 plus 1 minus 2 into I minus 2I plus 2J multiply with 2 vector minus 2I plus 2J plus 2K plus 1 into I plus 2J minus K by 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 minus 2I plus I is equal to minus I plus 2J plus 2J plus 4J plus 2K minus K plus K by 3. This is the first point in the problem number 15. First bit completed. What is the first bit? Internally. So second bit is what? Externally. Second bit is externally. So externally formula MB bar minus NA bar by M plus N. Okay, this is the 15th problem, second bit homework. And 16th problem, find the position vector of the midpoint of the vector joining the points P and Q. Midpoint. In the section formula, today's back, section formula internally, externally and midpoint formula. What is the midpoint formula? Two vectors are given, A bar, B bar, two vectors are given. What is the midpoint of vector A bar and B bar? A bar plus B bar by 2. So 16th problem, so homework. Next 17th problem, show that the points A comma B and C with position vectors A, B, C respectively form a vertices of a right angle triangle. So right angle triangle means three sides are there, AB. Okay, AB is equal to what? A bar, B bar, B, C bar length. What is the A bar length? For example, A1, B bar length 2, C bar length 3, 1, 2, 3. What is right angle triangle? Pythagoras theorem. What is the highest value whole square is equal to sum of the square of the remaining two values. Next 18th problem, 19th problem. If A bar and B bar are two collinear vectors, then which of the following are incorrect? A bar, B bar are two collinear vectors, then which of the following are incorrect? Which are the incorrect? B bar into this one here. Which one is incorrect, wrong? B bar is equal to lambda into A bar. B bar equal to lambda into A bar is nothing but these two vectors are collinear or not? Collinear. Already completed. B bar is equal to lambda into A bar. Or A bar into lambda into B bar also collinear. This is correct. So next A bar, second one. A bar is equal to plus or minus B bar. A bar is equal to plus or minus B bar is nothing but A bar is equal to plus or minus 1 into B bar. So, he plus or minus 1 is lambda. So, these two vectors also collinear. So first one correct, second one also correct. But what will ask incorrect statement? The respective components of A bar and B bar are not proportional. You know, from A bar and B bar are not proportional is correct. So both vector A bar and B bar have same direction but different magnitude. A bar and B bar collinear means what? Collinear means what? Same magnitude but different same direction. So two collinear vectors means directions are same, need not be vectors are same, directions are same, need not be, is equal also no problem, but compulsory two vectors collinear means the directions also same means need not be same, is opposite direction also same direction also collinear. Meaning collinear means what? This is collinear. Parallel, collinear means parallel, parallel is important. So same direction, different direction not important. So fourth option correct. So 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th ఈ 4 problems and example same model, each and every one exercise, direction, cosines, collinear, equal vectors, unit vectors, the total each and every one, each model is there in example. So examples 4 problems homework. So tomorrow I will discuss the next concept, product of two vectors. Here to up to today only addition of vectors, subtraction of vectors, scalar multiple of vectors. So not product of vectors. Tomorrow I will discuss product of the two vectors. Okay. So thank you.